Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the time on your BMW 3 Series. First, make sure your vehicle's ignition is on. You don't need the engine running, just the ignition. Next, find your iDrive controller, which is usually located on the center console. This is your primary interface for adjusting settings. Then, press the menu button situated near the iDrive controller to bring up the main menu on your display screen. Once you're on the main menu, use the iDrive controller to navigate. Rotate the knob to highlight the Settings option on your display. After Settings is highlighted, press the iDrive controller down to select it. This will open a new submenu. Within this submenu, continue to scroll down using the controller until you locate the Time/Date option. Select this to proceed to the Time Adjustment screen. Now that you're in the Time/Date menu, select Time to start making changes. You'll see the current time displayed. Rotate the iDrive controller clockwise or counterclockwise to adjust the hour. Once the correct hour is displayed, press the controller down to confirm your selection. Then, you can rotate the controller again to set the minutes. After setting the minutes, press the controller one more time to confirm. Before finalizing, ensure that any automatic time or GPS time synchronization options are deselected if you want to manually set the time. Also, double-check the AM or PM setting if your car uses a 12-hour clock. Once everything looks correct, navigate to and select OK, or simply press the iDrive controller one final time to save your adjustments. Your BMW's display will now show the newly set time. It's a straightforward process.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.